State and local domestic violence support organizations are in Augusta this week for law enforcement training. Bria Smith has a look at the goals of the training.
And we're losing hundreds of lives. It's approximately one person every other day in Georgia that dies in a domestic violence related fatality.
Carolyn Brooks is the review project manager for the Georgia Commission on Family Violence and says that's just the minimum, the ones they know about for sure. That's why Wednesday's training helped to remind trainees of what they might not see.
How often is domestic violence occurring? How is it getting reported? When it's not being reported, what are the barriers? Domestic violence fatalities have gone up over the last 4 years, 39%. And domestic violence murder-suicides have gone up over 75%.
Safe Homes of Augusta says 1 in 4 women and 1 in 7 men are physically abused by an intimate partner during their lifetime. And event leaders say law enforcement is usually the first to greet a victim.
With them understanding why they may stay, why they can't just leave, I think it would really help in that situation, and especially to give the victim the confidence to be able to call.
Event leaders say that the impact of domestic violence is notable and want everyone to know the signs.
And so we want everybody to know what those red flags are so that they can see them and respond appropriately. So that includes advocates, law enforcement, prosecutors, judges. We train every discipline you can think of.
Safe Homes of Augusta says victims commonly leave and return to their abusive relationship up to 7 times before permanently leaving.
Because they're doing a great job in teaching why victims stay, what is domestic violence, and so many times many people don't know what that is.
If you know or are someone who's experienced domestic abuse, Safe Homes of Augusta encourages you to call their crisis hotline. That number is on our website at WJBF.com. In Augusta, Bria Smith, WJBF, News Channel 6.